for waiting us. 36 clients. Welcome to our room. And firstly, you can subscribe to our channel, the YouTube channel, and you will get the information when we do the live show.
Yes.
Good afternoon.
Yes, I think all of you know this show, the topic, right? So let's do one introduction of ourselves first. This is Joyce, and this is Linda. Yeah, I think if you saw our YouTube live, you should know us.
We're also a YouTuber.
Yes. So today our topic is about our RAOAT. You can see this device, and this show will have several parts. It's about marketing. It's about everything we can discuss to promote better, because I think most of you has tested this device, and you have some ideas we can discuss.
Yes, the keywords is the marketing and promotion. So join us and ask your sales team to watch this show, and I think it will be helpful for you.
Yes, just like everything, marketing, sales, even boss. If CEO there is also okay, because the CEO can motivate everyone.
Yeah, that will be better.
Yes.
Also technical can also watch this show.
Yes, remember to subscribe ourselves, because later we will show better on mobile, because we can show the factories, show everything to let you know us better, that you know your supplier, you know your partner better. It will give you the most confidence to meet your clients, because you have a very strong backup.
Yeah, subscribe to our channel by your every account, not only your company account.
Yes. Okay, so let's go to first part, because you know that our model RAOAT, but maybe you don't know our factory, you don't know our
main business.
Yeah, history. So maybe Linda, you can share.
Yes, of course. And some clients, some regular clients also maybe know we are doing the fingerprint scanner and fingerprint tablet. The keywords is fingerprint, and we also launched the facial recognition in last year. Also, it's very fortunately be our hot selling products. And for the project, we also have done the tax registration, also the telecom. It's very big.
Yes.
Normally for government.
Yes, and since 2005, we are Chongqing Huifan Technology. Our brand is Extra Security. We born and we focused only on the biometrics, from the thumb attendance, maybe the fingerprint thumb attendance or card thumb attendance. Then move to the USB fingerprint scanner, Bluetooth fingerprint scanner. That is our patent, and it's the first one in the world. And then move to the fingerprint tablet, fingerprint hand terminal, and then move to the face recognition. Right now, our ranges just to cover fingerprint, facial, iris, palm, and face, etc. So we focused on this, not just one company that's just started and the market is good. We work on this. So you should know us. Your supplier is the experts in the biometrics line.
Yes, and the super important part is we are manufacturing, not the training company. Yes. You can say this building is our the factory. The whole building is ours. So welcome to China to visit our factory.
Yes, anytime. Because after this difficult period, maybe you will visit us in China. Like our factory is based in Shenzhen. It's Nonggang district. Also, our headquarters is in Chongqing. You can visit us anywhere. Okay?
Those are beautiful city.
Yes. I see that many guys. Thanks for coming.
So welcome again, and good morning, good afternoon, or good evening.
Yes, and also you can see that today's topic will be based on the 6 parts. Number 1 is about the background. Number 2 is about who are the potential clients. Maybe we stand on your side to check who are your potential clients. That is one discussion we just because you face the first clients in the market, you are knowing the best. And the number 3 is about the marketing material. Yeah, that is about which kind of material your clients need and which kind of materials you can prepare to get better. And the number 4 is about study case. Study case is based on
some successful cases.
Yes, since the last 3 months, we have some cases which we can share with you to give you more motivation or confidence. And the number 5 is how to promote, how to make your sales, how to make your marketing move better and over. Okay. And number 6 is about customizations
and other keywords.
Yes, it's a kind of support that we HF Security can provide you. Okay.
Yes, I think all of us through a very difficult time, and fortunately, China is very good now. There is no much confirmed cases, and all of the people are already back to the normal work, and we are in the office more than 3 months. So I think for some foreigners like the USA, the situation is not so good. So we also hope since we are a human, we are a team. We want to go through together to get some more hope. And for the business, and we also want to all of the partners, we can find some new chance or new opportunities to go through this difficult period.
Yes, actually for this time, because we also stayed at home for around 2 months. For that time, it's very difficult. It's honestly sharing. It's a fear. It's a fear about the future. It's a fear about how the life, how the business, how is everything going. I think right now, maybe before you also had this kind of thinking, how to survive better, especially for the boss,
survive.
Right?
Yeah, survive.
Yes. So that is the question. How can we continue our business based on this difficult period, and how to seize the chance, right? We have the keywords that I think it's normal in everywhere. Turn the crisis to opportunities, right?
I think for some boss, they already realized it's
Yes.
the opportunity, and since we already working for a long time, and we also feared or something, but now fortunately we got some ideas based on this opportunity. As you know, we are doing the fingerprint area, but we upgraded the new version, the new machine based on our the previous hot selling the facial recognition to do the new one and to promote it. We got many positive and the feedback. So we also want to share some ideas to you.
Yes, you can see the picture that it's about. We are human. We are not.
We are a team.
No matter which nation, no matter which country, we are just together to fight together. And so let's get to the point. We want to show you the opportunities. And this model, I think most of you know this. It's RAOAT, the face thermal attendance, access control with the IR thermometer.
The temperature detector.
Yes, there are 2 models. I think some guys has 2 machines, and someone choose the right, someone choose the left.
Yes.
Okay. So maybe we can have a brief introduction again. The left one is you can see the Face Plus Plus. That model is these 2 models is RAOAT. We call it same. Okay. And the left one is the Face Plus Plus. Why we call it? Because the face algorithm.
Yeah, the algorithm is Face Plus Plus.
Yeah, from the McAfee.
Very famous in the world.
It's I think right now it's top 3.
Top 3, yes, top
Yeah,
3.
based on the NIST list. You know, this list is from USA, and it's the most how to say, also rising.
Yeah.
The list for the face industry. So it's very famous. It's including the face algorithm, including the accuracy, including the features, everything is the best.
Mhm.
And the right one is science.
Science.
Their difference is the face algorithm is different. Also, you can see the IR thermometer is
The
different.
position is different.
Yeah, and the face plus plus is on the top. It's external. You can see it's showing. But for the
Science
science
one.
here, it's in the here. Look, I don't know if you see this part. It's built in.
It's built in.
Yeah. Okay, let's go back. It's built in, and you can see the size is smaller. The size is from also very top. Based on 2018 list, it's the top 2 in the world. So everything is very nice. So you can choose the one that's based on your needs. Like the plus plus, it's very flexible, and the size is very, how to say, it's smaller and can be applied like some kind of outdoor or some kind of customization to connect with the screen or something like that.
Yes, the algorithm we will emphasize again and again, since it's super cool, and
Yes.
For some technical guys, they will know it's very nice. And for the sales people, you have to promote it
Yes.
as
And
a
also,
shining point.
yes. And also you can see for this kind of device, the existing importance is just the 2 key points. Number 1 is for the face recognition. So the face algorithm is very, very important.
Yeah.
So any sales team here, just note down.
Remember.
Yeah, this is the key point that you would talk with your clients. Face algorithm, fast, efficient, and accurate. And number 2 is the temperature sensor.
Yeah.
The accuracy, you know. Our sensor is within 0.2 to 0.3 Celsius. So some kinds of like 0.5 or something like that, it's not so good for the human body temperature. For the staff is okay, but for our forehead it's not okay.
For real person.
Yeah,
and,
yeah,
for the body temperature.
Yes. So remember the face algorithm and remember the IR thermometer. The face plus plus is imported from German, and the science is imported from
It's from Europe.
yeah, that country is Melsi. I think some kind of you know this company. Okay.
So let us show you the rank.
Yes, this is the rank.
If you can see clear.
Yeah, this is based on the 2018. You can see the science is in the top 2.
Top 2.
And McVie is top 5. And right now, based on the newest version, the McVie is top 3 now.
Yes, you can check it.
Yes.
Also, you can see the submission date and the accuracy, and the developer means the algorithm.
Okay. So this is the background. I think all of you have an idea. Also, I think all of you already had a thinking about this. It's a huge market.
So let us go into the next part. Who are the potential clients? I think for our clients, for you, for us, this it's a big question.
Yes.
Okay, so right now we just separate 2 parts for the introduction. The first part is like the public, the places.
Yes.
For some public places, maybe they just require the people to wear a mask and to detect their temperature. The application like the airport, the supermarket, and the hospital. So if you did not wear the mask, the machine will notify you to wear it, and it will broadcast your name and your temperature.
Yes. Also, you can see it will connect with some
Turnstile.
Yeah, turnstiles, or you can see the left one. The left one is about the stand and with the sanitizer. Like you need to
Sanitizer.
wash your hands, and also you need to detect that if you wear the mask or not, or the temperature is normal or not.
So it's a full solution.
Yes, that is for public securities, like for the airport. Later we will show you some cases about the
Disinfection room.
yeah, and the supermarkets, because for that one there are many people going there. You no need to register them, but you need to check if they wear the mask or not, and their temperature is normal or abnormal, right? I think some clients already applied in the supermarket, right?
Yeah. Since you maybe some biometric partners, they like use the fingerprint. You must register your fingerprint first. But for this, it's non-touch. You no need to register first. Just detect your temperature. That's
Yes.
enough. That's enough.
Yes, that is for the public places. Let's go to the another one. It's about the private company, office, schools, or kindergartens. You can
Kindergartens.
see, yeah. They will need to detect wear mask or not. They need to detect the temperature. Also, they need to prove their identity.
Yeah, that's very important to verify your identity.
Yes. And then like before, maybe we use fingerprint, we use card or something. Each will need the hand to be contact,
It's
right?
touchable.
Yes, but right now, everything prefer to be non-contact. Like in our China government, we have launched one policy that suggests the companies use the face technology to do the attendance for the employees.
Yes,
So,
the safety is a very important part
Yes.
for us, especially in this period.
Yes, also like you just remember the key points that your clients will use in the public or private. Then you will know which kind of function they will be focused. Like you can see there are many types.
Yeah, for some different applications, it has a turnstile version and the wall-mounted version, also the desktop.
Yes, and also you can see the right one. There are some customization.
The
Stand.
floor stand.
Yes.
For example, the 0.6 meter is for little boy or little girl.
Kids.
Yes.
Yeah, for the
And
kindergarten.
the 1.2 meter is for the adult.
Yes.
It's flexible.
Yes. From the very beginning, we just make some universal ones, but based on hearing from clients, we just make some customization like this kind of. Later, we can also discuss about this part. Okay?
Yes, here just want to let you know we have this stand. It's flexible. No need to add money or something. It's standard.
Yeah. So we just conclusion that the main clients just included two parts. Number one is the public security. They just need the mask
and
mask
the
or not.
temperature.
Yeah, temperature. So you can find this kind of clients that they just need the function they may need is just the wear mask or not.
Mm-hmm.
If you don't wear the mask, it will turn red and give you a nudge to wear a mask. And the number two is that when the temperature is normal, it shows you the green lights, and if the high temperature, it will alarm that all of them will know this.
And for the private places, the identity is very necessary.
Yes.
Okay, let us go into the next part. Is about the marketing materials. Since we want to promote one machine to the market, we need to prepare in advance.
Yes.
So what can we do?
Yes, and what can you do? So maybe
This is what we do.
Yes, we just give you some ideas. Maybe you have better ideas, but we hope to hear from you. Maybe we learn each other to grow faster. Okay?
Yeah.
And you can see
when you will get a package.
Yeah.
When you buy the devices from us.
Yes.
It's including the API or software about the user menu or something, and also plus the videos or also the pictures.
Yes. So for from our suggestion, we suggest that you prepare something like that. You can prepare your own brochures. That's within your own logo, with your own contact, with your own style.
Yeah, here the keywords is your own.
Yeah, not
your
ours.
Style.
Not ours.
Not our style.
You can reference ours, but you can make your own style. And number 2 is the pictures, because it depends on who is your client. Like your client is a target, is the end user, or he needs to do the reselling, distributing, or something like that. You need to provide a good pictures with the high resolution, because maybe they will make their own brochures too, right?
Yeah, find a advertising colleague or advertising company to do this. That's very important. For example, you to buy the clothes, you will watch the picture first. If
Yes.
it looks pretty,
Attractive.
you will buy it.
Attractive.
Yes.
And the third one, maybe it's about the videos link, because I don't know which kind of situation from your side. Some countries still locked down. They cannot meet any clients or
Face-to-face.
Yeah, face-to-face easily. So you can make the video call, or you can make a good video to show it with your own explanation to let them know in detail, know in real, and know in, how to say, vividly, because that is what you want to take samples, I think, right?
Yeah, compares to the pictures, it's more real.
Yeah,
Since
and
it's moving.
And in your country, they will feel more safe.
Mm-hmm.
And the number 4 is the customized videos, like what we have done. Like for our side, many Latin American countries, they speak Spanish or speak the Portuguese. We just recording one video to show it without any sound.
We mute.
Yeah, we mute ourselves. We mute everything. We just take the video, and they can record the voice, record everything to make them to do the advertisement. Also, we will update their logo there. Everything will be customized. So also, you can do these kind of things for your clients too.
There are many ways.
Yeah, just to give you some ideas. Maybe you have better ideas, you can share with us, right?
And no worry about, I did not get in the package yet. But you can promote this device still.
Yes. And as you know, that market is huge, but maybe your competitors is also
the timing
many.
is also crucial.
Yeah. Just to save any minute to popularize better and faster the song.
Yeah. Okay.
And
So here I can show you a video from our clients from Europe.
Yes.
So they made this video. You can see they also add their information. See, so many information. They are so clever to promote this machine.
Yeah.
So you also can add your own details.
Also, for some local needs or local language, we are not so good at it. Even we have some colleagues speak good Spanish, speak good French, but you are the local one, and you also know the needs which your client will be like the most. You just focus on these points and to make your own marketing materials.
Yeah, for some other language, we only buy Google Translator. It's not so correct.
Yes. So that is the material marketing, right? So
the keywords is by your own and customized. Remember,
yes, I think all of you are so clever. You just give us so many ideas you can just focus on to get a good result come out and to make it better. And the next one is about the successful cases.
Okay, so next part, the fourth part is successful cases. Is a case study.
Yeah.
As we mentioned before, the airport, the public places. You can see this is a disinfection room, and here is our machine, the temperature
RIOAT.
machine. So can you guess how to do this project?
This is in the Hong Kong airport.
Yeah, Hong Kong airport. This news is from CNN.
Yes, they just, this is a disinfection room. Firstly, this is the captain from the airplane, okay?
The staff,
yeah.
employees.
Firstly, we will check their temperature, also to check if we wear the mask, and then also
Check the identity. It's
check the face.
Yeah, same time to do the 3 parts.
Yes.
So let me conclude the 3 parts. The first one is to detect your temperature and to measure if you wear the mask. And the third part is to verify your identity if you are the employees or the staff.
Yes. Also, based on the client's feedback, they will make a schedule shift that every 3 hours or every 4 hours they need to check in to get the disinfection.
It's automatically.
Yes, I think this kind of cases will give you some ideas and confidence that not only apply in the airports, but also in any others. Not only in Hong Kong airports,
For
maybe
every
in,
airport,
your UK
countries,
or something. Yeah.
your countries, there are many airports.
So it's used for the face and the face detection and the wear mask detection and temperature and also the access control. Once these 3 things is all okay, and the door will open.
Yes.
Okay, that's the first case. Let's go to the second one. Okay, this one you can see that is in a lobby. Yeah, maybe you can apply in hotel or in the fitting room or in restaurant or any other shops.
Public.
Yeah.
I think the public area.
Yes, you can see they put one stand there, and also they connected with this is another turnstiles. It's a access control, and the right one is about the supermarket. It's just to detect your wear mask or not, and to get the temperature. It's a double check about the temperature and the wear mask.
And maybe you ignore the a function is the access control. Since all the machines can be connected with the turnstile, it has a professional access control function.
Yes, I see some guys that email. No, you can make your own, much better.
Yeah, your own. You remember the keywords? The keywords is by your own, the customized. you need to do something different,
Yeah, if we email you, we also email others.
Yeah,
so
it's
what's
called,
the difference?
it's universal one. It's not so competitive.
But we just give you ideas. You can prepare based on these parts.
Yeah, based on this.
Yeah. And this one is for the office and also supermarket. Yeah. So also we applied in the 7-Eleven. So yeah, it's a fasting food shop.
So the 7-Eleven has an automatic door. It put on the wall and detect your face to broadcast your temperature. If your temperature is normal, then you can come in. If your temperature is abnormal, the machine will warning, and the staff will come to see.
Yes. Okay. And for this, you can see that it's for the reception. For any reception. For the company or fitting room or restaurant,
hotel.
Yeah. Reception, and it's very beautiful actually.
Also, you can use the desktop one.
Yes.
We have many types for your choose.
Yes, and the right one is for the construction site. Yeah, connected with the turnstiles. Also, you can see because it's used for the outdoor, so it's used one case to
cover the temperature, the surrounding temperature.
Yes.
Okay, here are some pictures just for your reference.
Also,
we can do more beautiful one.
Yes. Also, we can show you one video from our Brazil partner. Just to give you one idea how they did it. They just receive the devices and get on stage in the second day.
Olá pessoal, estou aqui em Niterói,
It's in the supermarket.
mercado Diamante, onde estarei mostrando para vocês.
Yes, we have the turnstiles.
Temperatura corporal através de imagem, ou dispensador
You can see?
automático de álcool gel. Então,
They put the ROAT with the sanitizer.
Sanitizer to wash your hands.
está pedindo colocar mais.
You know, if we record the video, it's not so local, it's not so convincing.
Temperatura, liberar acesso. E dispensador de álcool gel, mais.
See?
Agora eu vou simular que estou com febre.
You know, every function is the same. Wear mask
39 graus, 40 graus.
and the high temperature now.
Vamos lá.
You see?
Okay, let me record again, and Joyce will do some explanation. So the firstly is a supermarket, and you can see the machine is the full solution already about the temperature device and the sanitizer. So
Então, se aproximar.
Yes. It detects he did not wear the mask, right? So it will show the
first part,
red light and alert.
Temperatura 36 graus.
Yeah, wear
Está
mask.
pedindo colocar mais.
the notification is please wear a mask.
Yeah, the red line and also the screen will have the red words. Please wear a mask.
Vermelho. Terminar mais.
Okay, now he is wearing a mask.
Temperatura, liberar acesso.
Yeah, it will show the temperature now. It
And
will measure.
yeah,
If you don't wear mask, it will never take your temperature. It's step by step. The first step is you should wear mask first.
E dispensador de álcool gel automático.
Yeah.
so next time is washing your hands.
Agora eu vou simular que estou com febre. Estou com um copo de café aqui.
So here he just want to show you if you got abnormal temperature.
Yeah, high
Use a hot
temperature.
water to instead of the abnormal temperature.
Yeah. It's a coffee. It's a cup of coffee.
39 graus, 40 graus. Está frio, inclusive. Vamos lá.
You can hear the voice. It's an alarm. Also, if you don't want the alarm, also you can turn off. But in public security, the alarm is a must.
Yeah, here is a two part. The first part you can see the machine is red. The light is red, and the warning.
Yeah.
36 graus. Temperatura.
Yes. So that is our Brazil partner recorded it. They just received the device just one day. Every material coming out. So just move faster, as fast as you can.
Do
Okay?
your own. Do your own.
Okay, Char, I just see the Chinese for the turnstiles, right? Yes, we have every turnstiles, like the tripod, like the flap, like the swing, like the forehead. Later, we will have a
Everything
live
you
show.
need.
Yeah,
Everything you
we
need.
will have a live show from Tony and Emily. They will show you the RAOAT with the turnstiles. Also, the turnstile is available, and the whole with the RAOAT is perfect. So everything is a turkey solution. Okay.
Okay, let us go into next part. Is
How to promote?
the super important part. How to promote.
Yes, that is what we ask for ourselves and also for your side. I think your side also ask yourself how to promote in our market better. right? How to do? Let's share our experience.
Yeah, we just conclude some points based on our experience in the past months, but I think you will get more.
Yes.
Okay. The first one is notify your clients as much as possible. The keyword is notify. This you have to let all of your clients to know this new technology and this new information. Since all of us stay at home, right? So you can have a call and send a message or something just to let them know this technology, the new technology.
Yes. Like for us, we also, because we have done the foreign business 15 years, so we have a ERP system for all of our clients. Firstly, we will send mails to them, right? Send it to notify everyone, not some, but everyone. It takes time, but we need to notify them. You also need to,
That's
okay?
a very necessary step.
And also, number 2 is for the advertisements. You can do everything in your SNS, like the WhatsApp video or a picture or just some keywords. And also the Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn,
Twitter,
everything
Everything.
you can use, because you know where is your client the most like. You just show them. You just need to let them know that you have this, right?
Yeah, you must let everyone know you have this, and you want to promote this new technology to them.
Yes.
Okay, the keyword is notify.
Yes, and everyone, just everyone. For some important clients, you need to do more, not just notify.
Mm-hmm.
And the number 2 is to know their application. After you sending some messages, sending some mails, you would get some feedback from clients, right? Then you need to know, right, what their needs, like if their application
And
is
all their needs, their
Yeah.
needs.
in public or private or any other, you would know the key points to attract them and to do the solution for them, right? Number 3 is customize your solution. Because if you just take the device to them and without deep thinking, maybe it's not good enough. But if you know them, know their needs, you can customize with your clever mind.
Yeah, if I just show you the machine, if I just show you the new machine to you, you don't know what is the new technology, and you don't know how to use it, how it work, how can they achieve. So you must explain more clear.
Yes, also between the everything, I think the teamwork is very important, because I think you have your marketing team, you have your sales team, you have your technical team, you have a purchase team,
Work
everyone.
together.
Yeah. They need to share the information as soon as possible together. Like if the technician found out new functions or updated or something, they need to notify their team members, like who is talking with the clients. They get the first information and share with them.
Okay.
Yeah.
The next part is a demo aside or the video call. As I mentioned just a few minutes ago, you have to do this the show vividly to your clients. Let them know what is this and how it works. And we have some clients already bought some samples to do the demo show.
Yeah.
That's the same meaning.
Yes. Also, I think the demo at your hand or demo in the picture or in the video is different. It's a big difference, because right now everyone is not so normal, because during this period it's hard. It's if it's not normal, maybe a picture or video can get them, but right now maybe a real thing can let them feel more safe. So that is why we always suggest you to take samples at your site, to show them in your local country, to show them everything at their house or something if you can.
Yeah, compares to read some messages, I think you will prefer to watch a video or watch a picture.
Yes. And number 4 is a demo at site or video call. Yes, that is what we do, because like we also hold some live shows. We just show very quickly, but maybe during the network issue or something, it's not so complete. And normally our clients will video to us. we also call video to them to show them again and again. If they want to see this function, we just show them again and again to let them know. And also you can do this also. But if you can take the device to their house, to their company, it's much more better. Because when you see the devices, they will feel excited. That is what they need. It's help for them. If he is the boss of a company, it helps them to check every safety of their employees and also to do the attendance records to get the salary, something like that. So it's a helpful device and also very efficient. So just take them, show them.
Do your own.
Yeah.
Okay, and the final one is just like what we do now. It's a live show. It's a talk to your clients.
Yes.
Like this, and we can see your message, and we will reply you. I can talk to you, and everything is real, and it's reality. And
Yes.
yeah.
Because maybe you think that we do to one by one, it takes time. You can hold prepared in detail to hold one public thing
All together.
Yeah, to like we just gathering all of you here and to give a comprehensive, detailed demonstration or presentation that all of them will know this. And how to say,
And
for
people
us,
can talk each other.
Yes, for us it's new since last month, but based on this experience, it's better now.
YouTuber.
Yes, you can do same too, and also you can have more other ways. We just to share some ideas. I think all of you are thinking much better than us.
Yeah, it's informative.
Yes.
Okay, so next part we will show you a really demo show from our clients Tony and Emily.
Colleagues, not
Yeah.
clients.
Colleague, sorry. So
Okay.
we will show you. We will move this computer and to show you the demo. Guys, say hello.
Hi guys, nice to meet you here. And this is Tony.
This is Amy. Welcome.
Welcome to our live show. And in this part, we are going to show you how our device will look like, and we'll do some demo videos for you to show you some function that Linda and Joyce just introduced to you. Then you'll see how those function works, and in this our live show. Okay. Now let's move on to the part that I'm going to introduce you this RAO8T with external IR thermometer, this device. And as Joyce and Linda just introduced you two models, this is one of them with external IR thermometer. This IR sensor is from Germany, Heymann, the world top quality, and you may get some similar devices from the market. They're selling in a lower price, like 400, 300, 500, but they are using very cheap, bad quality IR sensors. So we are not using those bad quality IR sensors. World top quality, and this is 8-inch screen, brushed stainless steel plated body, gorgeous. You can see, yeah,
Very gorgeous.
yeah, and you cannot even see one screw on our device, not even one. That is why the production technology that we use is the advanced one, the IR sensor, the algorithm, the production technology, all the best. That is why it makes us so different, and the price a little bit higher than others, but it will be worth it. Okay, and here you can see a pillar stand. We have many versions. Here, this one is pillar stand that connected with turnstile. You can see this is our turnstile, and you can choose other versions like wall-mounted, floor stand, and like desktop. And we also have desktop and floor stand for you. And this part is for free. When you place the order, you can just let us know. Then we can send you the version that you want. No need extra fee, no extra charge. And for the camera, here you can see the two cameras. Here, this one is the RGB camera. This one is the infrared camera to capture the people and take pictures when people standing in front of this device and get registered. Okay, that is the basic information of this model, this device. Then the next part will show you some function that Linda and Joyce just introduced you in our previous part. So the first part I'm going to show you in this live show is wearing the mask, because after lockdown, people will get back to work and they have to wear mask, right? Some people will not just keep that in mind, or will not just always keep that in mind. So we need something to remind them that we need to wear mask. That is how this function works. Here you can see I am not wearing a mask now like other employees, they back to work. I don't want to wear mask in summer, it's very hot, but it's for protecting myself and others, it's a must. Here how it works. I didn't wear a mask. Then here,
Please wear a mask.
it will remind me and will warning
Right.
Please wear
the
a mask.
light. You can see will turn to red and warning you should wear a mask, and it will help you to manage your employees and keep all of your employees safe. That is what it used to. Very important function.
And the door is closed if I did
Yeah.
not wear a mask.
Wear a mask.
Yeah, and another thing is if we didn't wear the mask, the device, the door or the turnstile that connected with this device, even though you were registered, but the door or turnstile will not open at all. It will just ignore the information, the face information that you registered, so it will not work. And except for the mask, and in another situation, like if someone has a high fever, that will not, the turnstile and the door will not open either. Okay, now let's show you the high temperature alarm. If I had a fever, if I got a high temperature, then this device will alarm, and they will keep that, they will record that data, and you can also export the data when you want to check all of those informations. Okay, now let's check it out for the high temperature alarm.
Please wear a mask.
Here you can see I've got a cup of hot water,
Wear a mask.
very hot, at least 60 degrees Celsius. Now let's have a look. For this function, I got to wear my mask first.
Yes, wear mask is the first step to checking on you.
Yeah, the mask is on the top of the priorities. Here, hot water.
Please wear a mask.
Here you can see the temperature is high.
Non-living.
先把脸露出来，你的脸
Non-living.
不行，你要 wear mask，你不行。
Please wear a mask.
Because I didn't register yet, so I got my colleague Emily to have a try.
Firstly, you need to wear a face mask. You can see it is an alarm.
Yeah, if you want to get an alarm, then you must register. I didn't register yet.
You can see the red light and the alarm is very, very noisy. So
My
everyone
temperature
knows.
is normal. The door will open.
Please wear a mask.
Here you can see the Joyce. Now I didn't wear a mask,
Wear a mask.
so the turnstile will not open. And Emily
Please wear a mask.
has registered. but with high temperature.
When temperature is high, the door will not open. So I cannot get into. So you can this function you can set in software and in device. You can close it and open it. It depends on your own application.
Yeah, if your temperature is abnormal, firstly, the machine will warning, and if you connect it with the turnstile first, the door will keep closed.
Yeah, and I got a question when I watching Joyce during this live show. I got a question is that the standard temperature for the high temperature alarm, can we set it by ourselves, or is that a default temperature we can change? Obviously, you can change the standard temperature, the default temperature by yourself, like 37 or 38 as you want as a standard temperature. As long as someone exceeds that temperature, it will just alarm like we showed you. Okay, now let's move to the next part, which is the stranger detecting, because a lot of people will come into our company or the place that we install this device. So how could we know? We don't want those strangers, those who didn't register to enter our company, right? So this device will detect strangers, will not open the door, and they will record the temperature of strangers. Okay, let's check it out. But as I mentioned before, I didn't register that. You see, it will not open, and it will just report my temperature. And this function I need to set on the software. Now let's have a look the software interface. Then we will know how to set those functions. Now I will give you a brief introduction to the software.
Dears, subscribe our channel.
Yeah, and don't forget subscribe our YouTube channel. We will do many other live show in the future. Here you can see is the main interface. Here this device management. Enter this device management. Here is the. You can see this one. Stranger voice, stranger alert. Now we set it, and here is live recognition. We didn't show you yet. We also set it, and we will give you a test for live recognition. Okay, now let's set. Okay, set successful, and you can also choose the recognition distance. 0.5 and 1 meter. I would suggest you set the 1.5 meters for live recognition, because that will be the best effect for you.
Yes, live recognition means it only detects the real person. It will reject the photo or videos.
Okay, that is the software interface. And then we will move to the, I guess so you already have a brief idea of our software now, right? Okay, now let's show you some another functions like I just said, the live recognition. I will take a selfie to see, let's have a check it out if I can fool. Yeah, but I will let my colleague, Emily, to show you and take a selfie to see if the device can recognize the video or the photo or not.
First, take one my picture.
96.4. Please wear a mask. 96.4.
Okay, picture down.
You can see this is my picture.
Please wear a mask.
The machine will not recognize the picture. It's like scan. Only my real person is successful. You can see it.
Yes.
One more time.
Non-living.
Also,
Non-living.
It
You
will
see.
have red words to remind you it's non-living.
Non-living.
also you better put your face here. You can see that I am not registered.
36.4.
You can say my real person is okay. It's verification is successful.
Please wear a mask. Emily target alignment.
我看不到，看不到了吧？
No, just now we show you this stranger cannot open the door. If you want to use the device in public place, so you want to the stranger can be verified. They can detect the temperature, right? So it's okay to set the stranger open. You can see the open the APK and set the key stranger dash open and the value set false. We change it to
I think maybe I need to get testing because I am stranger.
okay.
When you
Let me test false first. When you set the value as false, the stranger cannot open the door, even their temperature is normal. Saved.
initialize, every setting will be initialize the app.
Now we test Joyce. Joyce didn't register in Joyce.
Okay. You can see my temperature is normal, but
Normal 36.5.
it's unregistered and the turnstile is
Turnstile.
closed.
Normal 36.
Keep
Okay.
closing.
Okay. So maybe we
Now we set again. Set the value as 2. Now, if the temperature is normal, the stranger also can open the door.
okay.
Normal 36.5.
So here, yeah,
One more time.
one more time.
Normal 36.1.
Yes. That is for public security.
This function you can turn on, turn off. So depends on where you want to use it. If you for public place, it's better to open this function. Stranger can open the door. Okay, now we go to next part. Setting. We know many countries use like to use their own local language like Spanish, French, Germany, and Italy. Now we show you how to set the language.
Yeah, because you may have many clients that from different countries using different language like Italian, Germany, and Japanese, etc. So we also support multiple language. Now in this part, we'll show you how to change language and how to setting different language. Now let's check it out. Have a look.
Now we set the language key. Set the language value. The number 1 is English. The number 4 is Spanish. Number 5 is French. Now we set it to
Okay, we take
Spanish first. Spanish
for
first.
example. Spanish is 4, right?
Yes, 4.
Yeah. Okay, you just import 4 in that part, and then the language, the language in interface and the voice will change to Spanish. Okay, have a look.
You can see
You can see the language changed.
the
The
words and voice
Sure.
already changed to Spanish.
Please wait a minute. Please wait a minute.
Yes, it's Spanish.
And then I guess you already found out another funny thing for our camera. It's a beauty camera. When you're standing in front of this camera, you look cooler
Pretty.
and more pretty than
Happy.
yeah. It will make everyone happy.
Your
That's
mood will be happy.
yeah. That is what we made this beauty camera.
And especially for ladies. Happy.
Now we
You were all happy.
now,
Better mood, the high efficiency in work. That is why we made this beauty camera.
now we change the language to Italy.
Okay, now let's take Italian as example. Italian 是几来着？ Okay, waiting for the initializing.
You can see the words and the voice already changed.
There you can see the
Yes.
interface, the language has already changed. Okay. We checked out the multiple language part. Now let's move on to the next part, which is the different degrees format that we're using. In China, we're using degrees Celsius, but in other countries, in European country, I know you are using the Fahrenheit degrees, right? So we also made it in two models. You can also change it into degrees Celsius or Fahrenheit as you want. That is a very useful function or so, and you can change as you want. No, don't worry about the temperature format issues. Okay, now let's have a look how to change the degrees format.
Still open the setting. You can open the setting to set the APK. Here, set the key as temperature unit. Temperature unit. The value set as 2. 2 means Fahrenheit.
So there's your side use Celsius or Fahrenheit. As we know that the American use the Fahrenheit.
Okay, you can see already changed.
Yeah, you can see the Fahrenheit.
Yeah, that is a Fahrenheit. Oh, it's very beautiful.
Yeah, beauty camera.
So when your clients or your clients' employees go to do the measurement to do attendance, see that the beautiful face, it will be more helpful for their efficient work.
So guys, so you want to have set any language for you? Show you. So you can text message here. We can show you.
Yeah, if you want to test your language, like other language, you want us show you in this live show, we can do it for you. Just leave your message on the in here, and we will do the test for you. You'll check it out by yourself to see your local language like Korea, the Japanese, the etc. And Russia. We also support Russia. Okay, considering that no other questions, I'm going to introduce you other functions. Here you can see in this part, you can upload your own company logo by software. It can show the QR code of a company or your company logo here. When the people come here, they will see it is from your company. So you can totally customize your company logo here. And here it shows our company name, HF Security. You can change it into your company name in software, very easy. And this is the person, the face data that we already registered in this device. And for Another question, you may got several devices in different office, but you want to manage all of those devices at the same place, and some devices that you bought before, some data has been registered before. So is there any need that you need to register the data that you have registered before one more time? Actually, you don't need register any information, the facial, the employee information one more time. You can download the information from the hardware into the software, and then you can upload the information to the device, or the information will into the device. Then there's no need to do the second time registration.
Please wear mask.
Okay. Any questions? We would like to answer some questions from you, and then hope you get a better understanding of our devices.
Please wear mask.
For Arabic language, we didn't support yet, but we can customize it for you. Once your quantity over 50 pieces, just 50 pieces, we can customize the Arabic language for you. Only 50 pieces. Very easy. Okay, now in the next part, we'll show you the card, because as I know, sometimes you are using the IC card as the access control function, right? So our device also supports IC card, and you can do the facial recognition and the card recognition at the same time, and you can do the double check. Even though the facial recognition succeeds, he has to take out his card and do the card recognition for the double check for security concern. That is another function that we made. A question from Charles: can the mask validation or temperature alert function be turned off if needed? Yes, of course, you can turn it off as you want. In software, you can see in the background, the software interface, you can turn it off very easily. Temperature here, you can turn off the mask function, mask recognition function here, and the high temperature detection here. Very easy. I'll show you closer.
You can close or turn on the function you want.
Yeah, hand temperature wearing the mask, we can turn it off as you want. So
RO8T also can optional built-in IC card function. I will show you how the testing of IC card. After you add the IC card read function, the verification way will include face card and face jack card.
Yeah, face plus cards. Emily just said Chinese. Okay, set it down.
Wait for a moment.
Okay, here you can see I will show you the card setting interface. Very easy. You can just choose IC card TT, the previous one, TCL. Emily, 上一个. Okay.
Okay, I already setting in software.
Okay, the setting down for the IC card recognition function. Now let's check it out how it works. We back to the device again.
Yeah. I set in software only face and card recognize. Okay, then the door can open. Now it recognize my face, but the door don't open, right? You can see it keep closing. Now we touch card.
How it work?
If the setting is not finished from software device, so we need to reconnect it again.
Okay. Okay.
Emily, I told you, you can set this port as let me show you again. Here, this recognition pattern setting. You need to select all of those
Yes, select all.
TTL series, yeah, IC card. And please don't forget upload this information to the device, otherwise it will not work. Emily, done?
Wait for a minute.
Because the card is support is 13.56 mHz. It's an IC MyFair card. Also, you can connect with your own card, like the HID or anything, through the weekend single. Because right now we said we tested is our built-in testing, built-in card reader. Okay.
Emily, setting now?
So let me see some. Wow, so many questions. So thanks. You can see it's setting successfully. It's setting that face.
Okay, the
both
setting down.
face and the card.
The setting for recognize both cards and face down. Now let's Emily show you.
Let me show you. First you need the punch card. Then you can recognize your face. Only both are okay. The door will
Yeah, you can
open.
see the door open. Okay, now Emily show our friends if we only
Only card.
do the card how it works. Now only card will not work now. You can see the door not open at all.
Yes.
But now if we do
Card
both
and the face
card
Card and
and face
together.
Together.
open,
Door open.
yeah,
Okay.
for double secure considering.
Yes. You can set face only, card only, face plus card. 3 modes.
Three verification ways. So our demonstration testing will end here. If you have any part want to see, you can leave message here. So now we will go to our Joyce and Linda part.
Yes, let's go back.
So dears, based on the Tony
Going. So hope you have a very good ideas of how the device working now, right? Also, we just give you one idea how you do your own webinar, right? Yes, we're back, and we will do the final part. As I mentioned, very many times about the customized. So. As you can see, we already connected the device with the turnstile, and it works. It's very well. We are not selling this machine separately. We also sell the full solution and do the OEM. So if you have any ideas about the OEM, just let us know, and we will do that.
Yes. So let's go to the next part for the customization. Yes. We go. Also, just Tony and Emily has shared you some customization because from the beginning we just apply this device in China. Yes. Number 1 is for the language. You know, since March, February, we applied in our China domestic market. But right now, you can see we support the many English, Spanish, Portuguese. Italian, German, Russian, Korean, Japanese, all of this. Also, when you order like the Arabic, I just saw like Arabic or something. When you order upon the 50, we can customize
Only
for
50
you.
pieces.
Only, yeah, freely. Okay. Number 2 is the package. Let me show you the package. Let me show you the package, how to customize it, okay? You can see this one is the Face Plus Plus the package. If you want to do your own packing, you can design it. This is ours. Also later we will make it in English, okay? Right now it's in Chinese. You can make your own. We will send you the 3D design of this box. If you want to customize your own, you just print it out and send back. We will customize for you, but for this it's with some cost. But it's okay for you because you can make your own design. You can put your own color, or you can put your website or
company name,
everything
website,
here to
and
do the
company
best
logo.
advertisement. Okay, this is for the plus plus. And this one is for the site. It's very smaller one. It's colorful. Yeah, and also it's smaller. You know, the sensor is built in, so the size is smaller. Also, you can do this to do everything. This is the part for the package customization.
Yes, every color you can choose.
Yeah. Also, we want to make your site to be more competitive. You can think outside which kind of customization you prefer. We can discuss also.
And the package also can advertise in your product and your company. So it's very good thing.
Yes. And the number 3 is for the logo. You know, just we shared that the hardware that you can upload your logo easily
On the
from
screen.
the software.
On the
Yeah.
screen.
But maybe that part, if you have your clients, maybe your clients want to upload them, right? What we can do? We can print your logo on the device itself.
Like
Also,
the turnstile.
yes,
Like this, you can.
we can print the logo on the stand also.
Yes.
We can do everything. Everything you want, we
Like
can
here.
discuss. Yeah.
You can add your logo, your company name on it. It's not a difficult things. We can customize for you.
Yes. Only if it helps you, we will do. Okay, that is the logo part. And number 4 is the marketing solution. So the marketing solution, just we share about the marketing materials. That's what we have done for all of you. If you have any ideas that you can do from our factory, from our manufacturer site, so you can suggest us. You told us, Joyce, I need this to popularize better. Okay, I will do. We will do, right?
Also the PowerPoint. You can send your materials and we can make it together and send you the full one.
Yes. And the number 5 is a kiosk, like the picture showed. Yeah, the next one you can see here. Like also in the Brazil one, they customize it their own and they make their logo, everything there. You can customize like this also. From our side, you can customize one stand. It's a floor stand, also with the sanitizer, handy sanitizer.
Automatically.
Yeah.
Also the stand is lighting.
Yes. Also, you want to do any other to add any other things, you can customize from your side. Also, you can customize with our site. We can communicate. For this show, we just want to tell you what we have done and to give you one brief ideas what you can do.
Yeah, just an idea.
And you can do better than us, I think, because we have. Yeah.
So if you need to do something different, just you just type in and let us know. We can discuss.
Yes, we are not just sending you something. We just hope to support better, to be a real partners. That's you help us and we help you, and to be stronger and stronger together in this difficult period.
Yeah.
Like the word said, that's the turn the crisis into a good opportunity. That you can win over than your normal competitors.
And it's not only to promote a machine, it's promote a new technology.
Yes, and the technology is what your clients need. That is what your country, what your market needs. It helps each other protect the safety, get everything, right? So dears, if you have any question, if you have any idea about which kind of customization maybe help you, You can type here. Also, you can discuss with the sales that you are talking to make a real solution out.
And to let us become a truth.
Yes, and also because me and Linda are also from the marketing and sales team, so we know for sales, if we know our product very well, if we have a strong brief, we have strong faith on our product, on our company, on your provider, on your everything, you will have very, very strong confidence to meet the clients, to meet the market, to do everything. That is very powerful.
And I remember some clients asked the bike up battery. We also can do it. It's not difficult.
Yes,
For Africa, maybe, I think.
yes,
A
you
battery
can
thing.
because our device is connecting with the adapter. You can add a UPS. You can add smaller one. Smaller one is
A
just
big
the
one
like
also okay.
a smaller one like the one that your laptop use to connect with it. It's always normally around the 2000 mAh. That continuous work like around the 3 hours, something like that. In case power off, it can still make the system work. For this part is okay because you can see the design is very slim. There is no space for the built-in battery, but you can connect the external ones.
Yes, as I emphasized, we are manufacturing, so we support the OEM and ODM function. For the language or for the package is not huge things, but we also support the
ODM.
deep function customized like the ODM.
Yes, you know.
Of course, it's for big order.
Yes.
For project, I think.
Yeah, we can for ODM. You can do everything for your own. It's not all. It's not. It's just for your own. From the design,
Yeah,
from
you
the
can change the
function,
design.
from everything, like the solution. Also, like for customization, we have done the touchscreen. Touchscreen will be coming soon about the RAO80 because right now you see that the operation is with the mouse, right? But maybe later it will come soon that the touchscreen you can operate everything on the device itself.
Okay, so today we introduced 6 part. Background and who are your potential clients, marketing material, and the successful study case, and how to promote also the customizations. Hope it's very helpful for you.
Yes. So does it help? Because we just try to. We also heard some advice, heard some inquiry from clients that they hope to know us better. They hope to know how our sales team going, how our factory, how our everything going. We just share fully, no any reservation. What we do is what we just show. But for these kind of things, we need to have a very big, strong confidence and also insist on it.
And I really hope there are some sales teams to watch the live show since we are do this for you, customized for you. You know, the customized for your sales team, how to promote it. And promote it, it's you can see it's a very easy thing. Also, you can see it's a very difficult thing. But the very important part is you have to know your product, your strategy, and your clients, and then customize a different solution to them.
Yeah, that is your key competitive point to win over any other. Because you know that in this period, this phase regulation temperature system, you will definitely meet many competitors. So how to win over them? That is your job. But we can show you what we can have done. Do you still remember the 2 key points? Number 1 is the phase algorithm. Number 2 is the temperature sensor. You know, the temperature sensor in the market is very pricey, cost is very different. Maybe it's around
From
I think $6
$6
to $200, something like that. It's very huge. And you know that the function and the performance is very different. Both the phase algorithm and the temperature sensor, that is key points why this device born. So just to focus on this, because we are not just selling one or short time or something. We focus the 15 years in this line. For this technology, it will have a good experience, and everything need to be mature, not just go and get and selling or something. You know, when you testing the devices, you also know that the testing needs the technical support. It's not just a small thing. It's not just a very easy thing.
Yes, so my dear sales team, you must remember these two shining points and to emphasize again and again, like me, okay?
Yes, and to be prepared. Firstly, no products. It's not our products. Right now, it's your product.
It's you.
Yeah. So just get your whole heart to work on it, motivate. Because we just contacted with many clients. They just sleep at, how to say, it's 3 hours per day to work day and night. It's working very hard, and it also turns out a very good result.
So let us turn to the crisis, to the opportunity.
Yes.
It's an opportunity. It's not a crisis.
Yeah. So if your boss, you give job to your employees, they will feel very safe. They have things to do, and also work hard to turn out a good result, good salary, good business, good turnover for all of your company. That is a win-win-win, all win, right?
And frankly speaking, we must to change the current situation.
Yes, it's difficult, but never afraid. We just work, we just move, but we need to work more and more harder. Just how to say, harder than before.
Okay.
And you will get more than before too.
Okay.
Is that a good expression?
Thanks, guys. Also, please remember subscribe to our channel. So next time you will get the notification when we do the live show, so you can get more information to promote your product.
Yes, it's almost 1.5 hours. So thanks for your time, and thanks for our time. It's not short time, but we hope this show will give you some ideas, give you better ideas, give you confidence, give you how to say, a strategy, how to get your own clients, how to get everything ready, how to become stronger and stronger, and how to survive better in this period. And let's just be together. You are not alone. You have us, right?
Okay, let's our colleague have a show for you for this live show. Emily and Tony, come here. Okay, thanks guys.
Thank you.
And thanks for your time. Hope it's informative for you. And waiting for our next week's show. And,
yes, and also recommend us to your partners or something, because your subscription will give us more motivation. When our fans
confidence.
Achieve 1,000, we can use the smartphone. It's more easy. We can show everything, more things. Okay?
Yeah, subscribe our channel, and thanks again for your time to watch us.
Yes.
Okay.
Bye-bye.
Thanks for your support. Bye-bye.